Today we'll be looking at. So today we'll be looking at that. I got it yesterday. Pretty surprising. Absolutely dang cool, son. Hear this. Ready? Turn that off.
Hot Wheels Racers, pick your lane.
It's good. I was just putting on. I was putting on some football, so I don't get one. That's it. You guys can't see the password. Such sad, you see. Well, I'll be back in a second. Look at this camera. Oh, so that knows that. You know what that even says? That made me a bit funny. Oh, yeah, let's watch Canberra, okay? I'm just getting outside. Let me just time this down.
We're going on a road trip. This June. Hey, watch it, buddy. There's nothing like a road trip.
You ever think about getting out there, seeing the world?
I need to get back to my kid. You got a kid? Like a kid? Like a human?
He's not a kid anymore. Okay, nope. I don't like this, okay. I have a couple of marbles we won't be using today. We'll be using them next time. But for now, cars today. I'm trying to see how I can grab these stuff. I'm looking for the camera. I'm trying to grab this stuff. Settle? Yeah, that's all. Okay. Let me get this sorted. And here we are. Put that back. I'm going to be putting you guys down there to check. There's even this one here. There you go. Yay! Ready! Set! Go!
Lane 6.
Oh, lane 6 was green. Green, okay. See how bad I am? I'm really bad with YouTube. Wait a sec. Jab back. Woohoo! And guys, guess what? Okay, I'm not telling you. I'm actually going on a holiday tomorrow morning on Tuesday. Really early. I'm going at 4:30. Okay? Now I'm going to be trying this again. Ready, set, go! Lane 2. Who was lane 2? Was it this guy? Yeah, that guy was in lane 2. Jeez. Yoink, yoink. We'll have one more race. I've been waiting on time, Papa. And make sure you watch my funny videos. That was absolutely. But you can hear something in my voice because I'm sick. Ready? Lane 1! This guy was lane 1. Was between these two. I'm not sure who it wasn't. And I'll be ending the video right now. Next time I'll do a Pokemon video. Okay? I'll be showing you the Pokemon that I have. I wish I had my iPad. I wish my iPad was working because I can record on Pokemon Go so you can see what's happening. But I can't. It's actually broken. Oh, that's probably why it's broken. Okay, let me get it out.